Okay, here we are down here at the boat again, and if we're gonna change this, the boat is doing good, but it still has every now and then has a little bit of like a starving. So what I'm told is that there could be a possible restriction in this that's causing it, and it's cheap, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. All right, so let's get that done. Okay, one of the first things that we're gonna do is this will just pull off of here. All right, if you see that, this will just pull. This just pulls off of there. So I'll cut them lines, and I would really like to replace this line. And we need to check it because I may have to replace it. So let me get these cut off, and then, yeah. I don't really have a tripod, so we'll just cut these here. Maybe. Them are tough. The new ones are tough. Alright. There's one down. Right there. Maybe that was it. Oh. Alright, let's see if you can see this. I'm hoping that you can see. This is the line going out, so it's on the inside. Line going up. Right. So got that like that. We're going to need to take this piece off the top here, but let's get the new one out first. And they say that it doesn't take much, just a little bit, to cause issues. All right, so coming in from the tank, right, out to the lift pump. All right, we have that. Let's get this bracket, this thing off of here. I think I have a wrench in here. If not, I probably have a little crescent wrench. I'm hoping. Yeah. All right, here. So, yeah, I'm getting gas all over. Set this off over here. And then we'll screw her down. And I'm hoping that we can just fill the bulb, or squeeze the fuel bulb and fill this up. I'm not sure. But this will go right onto there. Let's get some hose clamps and put these on. Too much pressure. I may have to get some actual hose cleaner, because even though I bought really good ones, I don't want them sucking air. We could probably double them. We can double it up. I don't know if that'll help or not. We can try it. What's it gonna hurt? I don't think it'll go on there. If we still have a little bit of issue, I may end up replacing all these hose clamps with a little better, like, metal ones. Let's check it out. I think we got it. All right, take a look at that. Should be on there. Let's see if we can get gas up in there. Gas is coming up in there. Almost full. You tell me when that's full, okay? Can you see that? You tell me when that's full. Say when? Not quite, huh? But is it good enough? Good enough start it? I think it is. So we'll leave it like that. Let's do it a couple more times. Now, another thing they say that could be, it could be the hose down in there is old, and it could be getting hot and then causing air to come in. We'll need to see. What I want to do is I want to take this one back up to the shop, and I want to cut it to see if there's any restrictions in there. I think so. All right, that's for it down here. I'm gonna put the top back on there, and hopefully everything's good. All right, bye.